Welcome back to the channel, tech lovers. Today we're diving into one of the hottest smartwatch deals of 2025, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Introducing the S4 Ultra for Xiaomi Smartwatch 2025, your new health, fitness, and productivity companion, now at a massive 50% off. Current price, $31 US$44. Original price, $62 US$87. That's half off. Click the link in the description below to grab this deal now. This is not just a watch. It's a full-featured smart assistant on your wrist. Built-in GPS, Bluetooth calling, heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen monitoring. Waterproof. IP67 rated. New 2025 features. NFC, compass, SOS function, and more. And check this out. You get access to features like step tracker, sleep monitoring, voice assistant, music and camera controls, weather updates, calendar and alarms, exercise tracking and breathing guides, medicine and hydration reminders, and even a women's health tracker. It's packed with split-screen support, photo widgets, QR code display, and multiple languages. Over 28 global languages supported, including English, Arabic, Japanese, and more. The 1.53-inch full touchscreen display with 360 by 360 resolution looks sharp and premium. It's compatible with both Android 4.4 Plus and iOS 9.0 Plus and connects seamlessly via Bluetooth 5.0 with a 10-meter range. Battery? You're covered with a 300 mAh magnetic charging battery that lasts through your day, no hassle. And yes, it comes with a wristband and quick start guide included in the box. At just $31.44, the S4 Ultra Smart Watch is one of the best value picks out there right now. Whether you're into fitness, productivity, or just love cool tech, this one checks all the boxes. Click the link in the description below to order yours before the deal ends. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, comment below if you want a comparison with other smartwatches, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and budget gadget finds.